Hey WordPressers! Today, we're going to walk through the process of uploading videos to WordPress using the Infinite Uploads plugin. This method allows you to easily manage large video files and improve your site's performance. Step 1. Install and activate Infinite Uploads. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Infinite Uploads. Click Install Now and then Activate. Step 2. Connect to Infinite Uploads Cloud. Navigate to Settings, Infinite Uploads. Click Connect to Infinite Uploads. Follow the prompts to create an account or log in. Step 3. Upload your video. Go to Video Library, Upload Videos. Drag and drop your video file or click Select Files. Wait for the upload to complete. It may take longer for large files. Step 4. Customize video title and thumbnail. After inserting your video into a post, click on the video block. In the block settings on the right, enter a catchy title for your video. To add a custom thumbnail, click on Featured Image in the post editor. Upload or select an image that represents your video well. This helps attract viewers. Step 5. Insert video into a post or page. Create a new post or edit an existing one. Click the Add Shortcode button. Paste the shortcode provided for your uploaded video. Click Insert into Post. Step 6. Verify cloud storage. Return to Settings, Infinite Uploads. Check the storage usage to confirm your video is in the cloud. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to WordPress using Infinite Uploads. Your video is now stored in the cloud, reducing the load on your server and improving your site's performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.